Welcome to ThreeDify's troubleshooting tutorial. In this tutorial, we will go over re-enabling your add-ins and macros should they become disabled. You will be able to make selections according to the errors that you are getting, and learn how to rectify those errors by making a few simple changes. For enabling your add-ins and macros in Excel 2007. If you utilize a different version of Microsoft Excel, then the actions you would take will be different. To bring up your Excel options, you must select a cell within your worksheet. To begin, select the Office logo at the top left of your screen, by left-clicking over it with your mouse. Now select Excel options from the drop-down menu. Select the Add-ins item from the left-hand side of the Excel options menu. There are 4 headings under the View and Manage Microsoft Add-ins dialog. They are Active Applications Add-ins, Inactive Application Add-ins, Document-Related Add-ins and Disabled Application Add-ins. If you see ThreeDify Excel Grapher and/or ThreeDify Excel Core Viz listed under the Disabled Applications Add-ins heading, then continue by selecting the drop-down button of the Manage combo box. Select the Disabled Items menu item by left-clicking it with your mouse. Select the Go button to bring up a list of your disabled applications. If your add-ins are disabled, then you would simply click the title of your program, and select the Enable button. We will simulate the actions you would take to re-enable your add-in. Click the title, ThreeDify Excel Grapher now. Select Enable. Click Close. Select the OK button to apply your changes. To apply the changes we made to your add-ins menu options, you must restart Microsoft Excel. Click the Close button. You don't have to save your file in order to apply the changes we have made. Click the No button. Double-click over the Excel icon entitled Sample Excel SM to reopen your spreadsheet. Notice that when we reopen the file, we no longer get any errors. This concludes our section on re-enabling your disabled application add-ins. We will continue with re-enabling your inactive application add-ins now. You would get the same error message for an inactive application as you would for a disabled application. To re-enable an inactive application, you would take the same first steps you took for enabling your disabled application. Select the Office logo once again. Select Excel options. Select the Add-ins item. If you see ThreeDify Excel Grapher and/or ThreeDify Excel Core Viz listed under the Inactive Applications Add-ins heading, then continue by selecting the drop-down button of the Manage combo box. Since our programs are COM add-ins and are inactive instead of disabled, we will select COM add-ins to re-enable them. Select the COM add-ins menu item. Click the Go button. Select the ThreeDify Excel Core Viz checkbox to activate the add-in. Select the ThreeDify Excel Grapher checkbox to activate the add-in also. Select OK to apply the changes. To apply the changes we made to your add-ins menu options, you must restart Microsoft Excel. Click the Close button now. You don't have to save your file in order to apply the changes we have made. Click the No button. Double-click over the Excel icon entitled Sample to reopen your spreadsheet. Notice that when we reopen the file, we no longer get any errors. This concludes our section on re-enabling your inactive application add-ins. We will continue with enabling your macros. This warning may pop up on opening an Excel worksheet that contains macros, such as the sample.xls file distributed with Excel Grapher or CoreViz. To remove this warning on file opening permanently, take the following actions. To begin, select the Office logo at the top left of your screen by left-clicking over it with your mouse. Select the Excel Options menu item by left-clicking it with your mouse. Select the Trust Center menu item on the left, to start re-enabling your macros. Select the Trust Center Settings button. Click the Trusted Publishers item first to ensure that ThreeDify is listed there. ThreeDify Incorporated shows up in this list as a trusted publisher. Select the Add-ins item next to ensure that there are no issues. Ensure that the Disable All Application Add-ins checkbox is not checked. This would cause all of your Excel add-ins to become inactive or disabled. Now click on the ActiveX Settings item. Select the Enable All Controls Without Restrictions radio button. This setting allows your ActiveX controls to run freely within Excel without prompting you prior to running them. Select the Macro Setting item next. Select the Enable All Macros radio button to ensure your macro-enabled document, such as some sample worksheets distributed with Excel Grapher or CoreViz, can run effectively within Excel. Making this selection also removes the security warning you received when opening your document. Click the OK button to apply the changes we have made. Select OK here also. Note that you must now close and restart your Microsoft Excel, to ensure that all of the changes have been applied, and all of your errors have been corrected. Click the Close button, symbolized by the red X in the top right corner of your screen. Double-click over the Excel icon entitled Sample XLSM to reopen your spreadsheet. When you reopen your application, you will no longer see the security warning and your macro-enabled ThreeDify Grapher document will run as intended. Thank you for viewing our tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, or you would like to download our fully interactive tutorials, feel free to visit our website www.threedify.com.